We're going to do a brief video on support and resistance trading strategy for Forex, and we've got a table shown here for you for the 24th of October for Monday, and we're going to show you the major Forex pairs here. They're 1, 2, 5, 10, and 20-day holding periods. These are trading days. We'll show you how that works here in just a second. You can see for Monday the 24th, we've got some short positions across the board here for the US, for the EUR USD. That's a euro versus a dollar. For the dollar versus the Japanese yen, we've got some buy positions across here for you. And for the Aussie dollar versus the United States dollar, we've got shorts. The Great Britain pound, GBP USD, we've got shorts. For the dollar versus the Canadian dollar, we've got some more buys, and the dollar versus the Swiss franc buys. And for the New Zealand dollar against the dollar, we've got some shorts. So we put these out every morning before 7 a.m. If you come over early, you can get them at 6 p.m. the night before, and they come out basically the same way every day. The only thing that's different is the price and whether they're buys or shorts. So the way this works is if you were to use your own analysis and buy in the one-day column, assuming your own analysis said it was a good idea, you'd buy or short in the one-day column, close out at the end of the next trading day at a loss, or take your profits sooner as if you can get them. So just before the market closes on the second day, you'd close it out. Again, today in Monday, out Tuesday, and then for 2 days hold, be 2 trading days, 5 trading days, 10 trading days, and 20. So if you take the 20 trading days scenario, you get in, assuming your own analysis said it was a good idea, Monday, and get out 20 trading days later just before the market closes, or take your profits sooner if you can get them. So that's how these work. We put them out every morning before 7 a.m. as I said, and you can get free access, no credit card required, at rbamresearch.com, link in the description below. You get access in addition to Forex, 190 stocks, the BTC crypto, and the most liquid futures contracts, all for free. Keep in mind, everything you've seen and heard on here is for entertainment purposes only, including my commentary and the entry prices. You can't use them for anything other than entertainment. You should always do your own analysis. You definitely trade at your own risk. If you like these videos, please click the like button. If you want to subscribe, please do that as well. And if you have a great comment for us, please leave it in the comment section below.